we continue our daily updates from the St. Louis Marriott Hotel for our 2018 Province Assembly. We began our day with Eucharist celebrated by the newest ordained Marianist, Father Armando Añesis of Puerto Rico.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
Ann Garrido, Associate Professor of Homiletics at the Aquinas Institute of Theology in St. Louis, delivered a lively presentation on how brotherhood fosters collaboration within our church and world.
So each of us has in our very own bodies what we could call our external voice, which is what other people can hear, it comes out of my mouth. And then each of us also has an internal voice, which is the running tape that's going through our head all of the time. They're going to read at the same time. And what you need to do is you need to listen and catch everything that both of them say.
Following lunch, participants met once again in smaller groups of 14 to 16 to share their responses from reflection questions on Garrido's presentation. Our group split up into 3 smaller groups for excursions around the city. This group went to the Mississippi River for a dinner and sunset cruise.
How many of us are there? Is that your name?
A second group spent the evening at the Muni watching Singing in the Rain, and a third group went on a trolley tour of St. Louis with a stop at the infamous Ted Drew's. We just finished a long day of excursions throughout the city. It's about 10:45 in a little bit different location, and I think I'm ready for bed. It's been a long and wonderful day. Tune in tomorrow for our last day of our 2018 Province Assembly. Have a great night.